giving this certificate of appreciation to you. And then for being a church volunteer, song leader, EY leader, potluck coordinator, and on and on. That's your certificate. And then we will also give to you the cash gift from the church. Okay? And that's 1 million. And then we will also give cash gift to Kai. That's 2 billion. And then we will also give the gift about Jerusalem. Jerusalem. So this is about Jerusalem. You kindly open it so that your destiny is not Philippines, but Jerusalem. Wow, plastic. Okay. And then, the last but not the least, my wife had coined the name of Kai, King, known as Kai, as fondly called by many. H, honesty, integrity, and faithfulness displayed. A, amiable, beautiful, God's character exudes. I, in God's book, His name be forever etched and recalled. Udaraba, being your head of the Seventh-day Adventist International Congregation.